Today's video is a shopping haul, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Every 2 months, a group of us on YouTube get together and we show some of the things that we got shopping in the past couple of months. So it's called a shopping haul. It is hosted by my dear friend Jessica Myros. I will link Jessica's channel along with the playlist of the other creators in my description box below. Please check them out and tell them that I sent you. I am really focused on decluttering these days, so I do not have a ton of stuff to show you, but I do have some things that I ordered from Amazon Prime Day, some clothing items, something that I purchased from RayBan, and I'm going to open a Grove Collaborative box along with opening a gift that I got from some special friends. So for this haul, I'm going to start with the clothing items that I purchased recently. Most of these clothing items I purchased during Amazon Prime days. I think that was back at the beginning of July, so I've had the chance to wear all of them so I can give a good review. I'm actually wearing one now. It is a t-shirt dress with a v-neck, and I have a black one like it here with me. It is long, it has pockets, and it has splits. There's a split on each side. And I love these dresses because A, they are extremely comfortable. They're nice and cool to wear in the summer, but I could also see putting on like a denim jacket or something in the fall and wearing it through the fall. You can be very casual with it, or you can dress it up. It's just basic. It's just a basic black long t-shirt dress and green long t-shirt dress. And I just love that you have so many options of things that you can do with it. And the brand is called Huskery, and I just happened to find it and I thought I would try it, and I have loved it. It's so comfortable. Another item that I found on Amazon during the Prime days is this shirt. It is a baby blue. I'm not sure about the brand, but it is an oversized shirt, and it has the little ribs up here at the top, and then it just flows. I should have sized down a size or two because it is a little too long and too big, so I am having trouble finding the right pants or shorts to wear with it, but it is a very comfortable shirt. Another shirt that I got on Amazon during the Prime days is very similar. It is a sleeveless shirt. It has the same kind of top here, and it flows down. It's not as big, and it looks good with shorts or pants. Again, you can dress it up or you can dress it down. You could probably put on a cardigan with it or a jacket and wear it into the fall season because of the green color. And this summer I fell in love with these Amazon dresses. The brand, I think it's pronounced Kurundo or something like that. I know I'm not pronouncing it correctly, but it is an oversized dress, and it is designed to flow, and it's very comfortable. Again, it's something you can dress up or dress down. The next item is a t-shirt. It says Sweet Summertime. This shirt I actually got from one of my dear friends, Tiffany. Tiffany has a YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel is called Small Town 6. She started a new store and it's called Small Town Apparel, and she has some really cute fall stuff, so you're gonna want to go check that out. But I absolutely love this. I love the colors and I love the design on it. And it's great to throw on with shorts, and it's just great for summer. Along with the clothing, I did get a new pair of shoes. They are New Balance shoes. They're like a light beige and a darker beige, and they will be great going into the fall season as well. They're summer fallish shoes. Now we get more into a little bit of randomness, but some self-care items. The first self-care item that I picked up is it's Grace and Stella. This is Everything is Better in Pink, and it's eye mask, and there are a total of 12. I do have some iron deficiencies and sometimes get dark circles or bags under my eyes. So I am excited about trying these. Each pack looks like this and has one mask for each eye. And it was really cute. It was really well packaged. And it came with this that says, making me time the best time. And then feel good in the skin you're in, which is cute. These are little stickers, and it had like a nice little card and everything. So if you've tried these, let me know. I have not tried them yet, but I'm definitely going to. And along with that, with self-care, since COVID, I started doing my own manicures and pedicures, which I need to do a manicure very soon, but this is for a pedicure. These are foot peel masks. It says that you just put them on. It's supposed to help with drying, that kind of thing. I've never used one before, but it comes in, there are 2 of them, and it comes in a package like this, and it has the directions on the back, and it says that it exfoliates rough feet and prevents dryness. Everything you need, like the directions, all that, you're good to go. It's all on the back. And I think it's in like a peach scent, which sounds really refreshing to me. So those are the self-care items that I got. I also have a Lily Pulitzer notebook. I had one and I was decluttering, and I got rid of the one that I had and I missed it, so I replaced it with another one. Sometimes that's how it goes with decluttering. We get rid of something that we think we're not going to use, and then we miss it. It just is like a regular notebook. I use it to put my daily to-do list in and just take notes in, that kind of thing, and it did come with a pen, so that's nice as well. And I have shown these in a previous video, but I got these on sale during the Prime sale, and then I ended up adding another package. They're not very expensive. I think it was maybe like $21.99 for 5 of these photo frames. I'm going to put these in this room, and I've got some old Lily Pulitzer prints from a calendar that I'm going to frame for them. So I have 10 of these all together. And they're gonna look really nice, and they're silver. They come in black and silver, and I'm not sure if they come in gold or not, but those are nice. Now from RayBan, and I did go to RayBan.com, and I ordered these because I wanted to replace the sunglasses that I had for at least 7 years, and they are the Jackie O's. They look like this. And they look like this on, and the only reason I was comfortable ordering them was because I had them before and I just wanted to replace them, because my old ones, I wore them so much that literally they were falling apart. So I did get that to replace some that I already had, and I liked it because I knew exactly what I wanted. I knew that I wanted the same kind, so it was easy to order online. And with things like RayBan or even Lily Pulitzer or anything that you're ordering, always check. I love the convenience of Amazon because it can be here like within a couple of days, but always check the actual website, because the RayBan website was it was cheaper to order directly from RayBan than it was to order it on the same glasses on Amazon, like a lot cheaper. But I did have to wait a little bit longer. And then I received this in the mail. I have some really good friends here on YouTube. They have a channel. It's It's called Rob and Sumner. Rob and Sumner are very near and dear to me. They are autistic, and they share some of that journey on their YouTube channel, as well as grocery hauls and cooking and all types of different content, so you should check them out. But they sent me this, and I'm just now opening it up. But this is a puzzle piece, and if you guys know, the puzzle piece represents autism. So it's a puzzle piece, and then it comes with a necklace and then it comes with the necklaces to put each piece on. So I absolutely love this. So thank you so much, Rob and Sumner, and you guys should go check out their channel as well. So that was such a sweet gift. Thank you. I also ordered some new chairs, and those are outside, so I'm going to insert a clip of the chairs in just a minute, and I'm also going to insert a clip of an olive tree that I bought for my living room on Amazon Prime Days as well. The chairs came from Amazon and the olive tree came from Amazon. So I wanted something in the corner of my living room that was a little bit taller, and so that fit the bill. Now for my Grove haul, which is my last haul to show you guys. I have these reusable paper towels, and you can use these for up to a week. You can hand wash them. I use them for things like when you spill water to get it up, and then you can reuse it, and it just works really well. I'll show you kind of what they look like. You probably can't see it, but the texture is thicker than that of a paper towel, but it's really soft. So it works really well to clean with, that kind of thing. And again, you can hand wash it and you can use it up to a week, or I guess you could, I don't know. I don't think that I could really eat and like wipe my mouth with one and reuse it, but I'm sure that that's an option as well. And then I got two of the walnut scrubbers. These are great for the kitchen sink, for the bathroom sink, for the bathroom tub. They really get the job done. They're a great Grove product. I got 3 microfiber cloths. The microfiber cloths from Grove come in a 3-pack, and I go through these like crazy. I use them on a daily basis. So you get a lot of wear out of them, but after a while you kind of need to replace them. For the guest bathroom, I got this watermelon foaming hand wash, and I love the smell of this, especially this time of year. I'm not quite ready for those fall scents yet, but this smells really good. For our other sink areas, I got a refill container of the Caldrea sea salt scent. This is by far my favorite scent, and I have the refillable soap dispensers, and so I put this in those. To go with that, I got the Caldrea dish soap. This stuff works really good. It smells good. It's in the same scent as the soap, the sea salt, and I absolutely love it. I like to buy these from the Grove too. They're a European dishcloth. They work really well, and they are reusable as well. And they feel stiff, but when you get them wet, you can wash things with them. There are all kinds of things that you can do with them around the house. We all need some toilet bowl cleaner. This is the Method brand. And then I use these little dishwasher tablets for our dishwasher. We go through these every day, so it's always nice to have that replacement. So that is all that I got from Grove this month. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and please take time to like, comment, and subscribe. I know that you guys are taking time from your busy day to watch my video, and I know that my shopping haul was kind of all over the place today because we did have Amazon Prime days, and like I said, I'm in declutter mode, so I'm just not really shopping right now. I'm not buying things that I do not need. I did splurge on things like the foot mask or that kind of thing on Prime Day just because it was a great time to splurge while some things were on sale. Other than that, I'm really just enjoying the things that I have and in the decluttering process, but I do love doing this each 2 months. Remember to check out Jessica's channel as well as the playlist. I love seeing what the other girls have got, what the other girls have as well. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.